Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Bloodless Palette by Jeffree Star. I did order 3 items from his website on launch day. Today's March 4th. It was supposed to get here on Monday, but today is Wednesday. For some reason, the package was sent to Oregon. Like, it has never happened like that where my package goes from California to Oregon, then Arizona. You know what I mean? It's always been California, then Arizona. It never takes more than 2 days. Let's open it up. Hopefully everything is intact and not broken or squished or anything. The box doesn't look squished. Alright, so we're gonna open it up together. So as soon as we open the package, we have pink Jeffree Star paper. I love this picture, it's super cute. And then this is my invoice, I'm guessing. So we'll start with this. This here is a grinder. So this is the grinder here. If you don't know what a grinder is, basically you can grind coffee here. And you can grind a lot of other things like tobacco or whatever you want. Highlighter. And now let's go on to the next item. This item sold out really quickly by what I heard. Background noise. It has like a blue purple shift. It's pretty. It's pretty. I can't wait to put it on. And last but not least, we have the Bloodless Palette. I mean, I haven't pulled it out, but check this out. It's already ripped. The palette is ripped from like the carton right here. Can you all see that? It's ripped and it's kind of open. So I'm hoping that the palette isn't fucked up, you know? This is by far the cheapest uni carton that he's ever made by the feels of it, you know? So as we open it up, we have the palette finally in our hands, guys. He said that this could be thrown out, but like, why is it all fucked up? You know what I mean? It's ripped. I don't know. Hopefully they're not broken. Let's find out. Okay, so the palette is actually prettier in person than what it picks up on camera. I'm looking at the monitor here, and this purple in real life is not as light as it actually looks in the camera. All of these look darker in person than what they actually pick up on camera. Alright, so we're gonna get started on creating a look using the Bloodless Palette by Jeffree Star. So cute. The foundation and everything is on. So now we're gonna move into the palette. Get excited, guys. There's a really nice red here. I'm just gonna go for it. So it does have fallout, but that's like normal. I kind of just want to sweep throughout the whole palette and just go all over my face. So this is a moment for sure. I'm gonna add a couple more small specks onto my skin, and then we'll apply the highlighter to check it out, okay? I literally did this look really quick. Didn't take me more than 20 minutes. But let me tell you, the palette, it's a little hard to find colors to go with each other. The palette is very limited. The shades are pretty, but it's very limited. Alright you guys, well I'm done with the palette. This is the look with the palette. So now we're gonna try the Extreme Frost highlighter. Where I'm going for like a galactic type look. So for the lip, I'm also gonna be using Clout. I didn't get his lip bundle, but I do have Clout, which is in his lip bundle. Okay, so this is the highlighter. We're gonna check it out. It's called Choking on Ice. It's definitely a different texture, a lot softer than the Supreme Frost. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? This is gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love the look for today. And that's it. This is my look. Very galactic, futuristic. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this look, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about the palette, the color scheme. Were you happy with the color selections that Jeffree had? Sound off down below. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.